guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome back again our channel. It's me, JERLIE, isang OFW sa Dubai. So, ngayon you are new video about for the how to make tea, Indian tea. Like that. So, paano ba gumawa ng Indian tea? So, ibahin naman natin yung video. Today is my day, my OFW life. So, paano ba gumawa ng Indian tea? How to make Indian tea in my own version. Yun guys, so ipapakita ko sa inyo ano ang gagawin natin. No, una, kumuha kayo ng teapot. Yan, so may tubig na siya. We have water, 1 glass water of teapot. So ilalagay natin sa gas tube. Yan. Ito yun guys, ito yung gas tube namin. Yan. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Saan na ba guys? Ito yung gas stove namin yan. So, kaya nga guys, dito ako sa kusina kasi nga gagawa tayo ng Indian tea. So, una-una, paano yan? So, before that, don't forget like, share, subscribe my video, and then disclaimer lang tayo. Pwede niyong isi-skip yung video ko kung ayaw niyong manonood. So today, we are the make video about our OFW life or how I make Indian tea my own version. So una, yung ingredients ng Indian tea is cardamom. Alam niyo ba yung cardamom? So biniblend ko siya. So maglagay lang tayo ng konti lang. 1 ganyan. Ito yung guys, yan. Ito lalagay natin sa teapot. Cardamom. Yan, guys. Bakit nilalagyan yung teapot, yung cardamom is para sa tea, is para good smell. Yan. Then, next is black tea. Ito yung black tea. Yan. So, maglagay tayo ng 1 teaspoon again. Black tea. Yan. Ito, guys. Yan. And then, you can add sugar. This is the sugar. Yes. Again, 1 teaspoon. Depende kung anong gusto nyo. If you like too much sweet or don't like hot. But for me, I put the 1 teaspoon. Ganyan, guys. And then you can wait. For the boil the tea in 5 minutes. Ito yung guys. Yan. Ito yun guys. So, yun guys, hintayin natin 5 minutes na kumukulo yung tea with water and black tea and cardamom. So, after that, we add the milk. Only little milk or like that. Ito yung gatas guys. Yan. Ito yung gatas namin. Gatas is full fat. Full fat almaray. Yan. Ito yung ginagamit namin. This is a fresh milk. Full fat. So, ito yung ihalo natin sa Indian tea. So, like that. Wait, I can show you where my... Yun, guys. Ito na yung tea ko. Yan. So, ito na yun. Maglagay tayo ng konting milk. So, you have under steam it only. Yan, guys. Yan. And then, you wait for, again, boiling in 2 minutes, guys. So, yan, guys, ang tea ng Indian tea. So, wait natin ng 2 minutes na mag-boil again with the milk, like that. So, after that, we need to stir in the cup. We pour in the cup. Yan, guys. So, very easy how to make the Indian tea. Ganyan guys. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan guys. Yan. So, hintayin siya magbo-boil again 2 minutes. Yan. So, after that guys, you can wait 2 minutes to boil again the tea. and then we stir in the cup, in the mug. You can pour it and then ready for the drink. Guys, kasi nandito ako sa kusina, yan. So, kumulo na siya, guys. Yan. Wait, I show you paano ba kumulo. I say. Yan, kumulo na yung tea. It means kumukulo na siya ganyan. It means after that 1 minute, he's ready the Indian tea. Wait. Ibabalik ko naman. Yun, guys. So, yan guys, ready na yung tea natin. Wait, I close the gas. So guys, ready na yung tea natin. Ito, yan. Yan. So, we are pouring the cup. Ito yon. Yun guys, we pour the tea in the mug. Wait. Guys, ito yun. Tapos na guys. So, this is the Indian tea. This is ready for drink. Yun guys. Hindi lang. Madilim kasi guys. Dito ako sa kusina. Ayan. Yan. Ito yung Indian tea. So, yun guys. Yan. That means ito ang ginagamit yung mostly iniinom dito sa Dubai. Yung tag 1 dirhams. Ito yung Indian tea. Indian tea is the best tea in Middle East. Yun guys, hope mayroon kayong natutunan sa vlog ko ngayon paano na how to make the Indian tea in the home. So, thank you. And then, shout out to everyone. Shout out to all my friends. Jimilin, shout out. And then, mga kapwa kong mga vlogger, shout out. Nasa grupo, shout out din. And then, mga kaibigan ko, shout out. So, yun lang guys. And then, thank you so much. And then, have a nice day. So, I drink the Indian tea. Bye-bye!